If you live in Farmington Hills, you know how much the changing Michigan seasons can impact your utility bills. From chilly winters to humid summers, maintaining indoor comfort often comes with a high energy cost. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make is installing energy-efficient windows. Not only do these modern windows reduce heating and cooling expenses, but they also add long-term value, comfort, and beauty to your home. Why energy-efficient windows matter. Windows play a significant role in your home's energy use. Older or poorly insulated windows allow drafts, heat transfer, and air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This extra strain translates directly into higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced materials and technologies that provide superior insulation. Key features include low E-glass coatings, reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. Double or triple panes, multiple layers of glass with insulating gas between them to reduce heat transfer. Argon or krypton gas fills, invisible, non-toxic gases between panes that enhance thermal performance. Tight seals and amp frames prevent drafts and minimize air leakage. By keeping conditioned air inside and outdoor air outside, energy-efficient windows create a more consistent indoor climate while lowering energy waste. Savings on utility bills. Homeowners in Farmington Hills often see a noticeable drop in heating and cooling expenses after replacing old windows. According to industry estimates, energy-efficient windows can save homeowners up to 25 to 30% on utility costs each year. For example, in the winter, windows help retain heat, so your furnace doesn't need to run as often. In the summer, they block solar heat gain, allowing your air conditioner to work less. Over time, these savings add up, helping offset the initial investment in replacement windows. With Michigan's fluctuating energy prices, the return on investment can be especially attractive. Comfort beyond cost savings. While saving money is a major benefit, energy-efficient windows also improve daily living in other ways. Eliminate drafts. No more cold spots near windows during harsh winters. Quieter interiors. Double and triple pane glass reduces outside noise, creating a more peaceful home. UV protection. Special coatings block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. Better climate control. Rooms stay consistently comfortable without hot or cold zones. This combination of comfort and efficiency makes energy-efficient windows a lifestyle upgrade, not just a financial one. Eco-friendly benefits. Installing energy-efficient windows is also an environmentally conscious choice. By reducing your energy consumption, you're lowering your household's carbon footprint. With Farmington Hills residents becoming increasingly eco-aware, this step aligns with sustainable living practices while still offering practical home benefits. Adding value to your home beyond energy and comfort, replacement windows are a smart investment in your property. Energy-efficient windows enhance curb appeal, improve security, and increase resale value. Prospective buyers often view them as a desirable upgrade, making your home more attractive in a competitive market. Choosing the right windows in Farmington Hills. When selecting energy-efficient windows, it's important to consider your home's style, budget, and performance needs. Look for Energy Star certification. Ensures the product meets strict efficiency guidelines. Local expertise. Choose a trusted Farmington Hills window company familiar with Michigan's climate. Professional installation. Proper installation is just as important as the windows themselves to ensure maximum performance. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest home improvements you can make in Farmington Hills. They cut down on utility bills, provide year-round comfort, and add long-term value to your property, all while supporting a greener lifestyle. If you're tired of high energy costs or drafty rooms, now is the perfect time to explore modern window replacement options. The savings and comfort you'll enjoy will make this upgrade worthwhile for years to come.